We offer a free in-store DIY design service. If you have an irrigation project at your property and you want to do it yourself, we can help. Just go online or come in store and get your complimentary DIY design planning guide. All we ask is you fill out some basic details and we can do the rest. So there's a couple of things we need you to do. Grab your design guide and do up a scale drawing of your property. Include any areas you plan to irrigate, such as lawn and gardens. Also mark in where your water sources are and control locations. Once you've done that, we ask you to do a flow test. So grab a 9-litre bucket, time how long it takes to fill off your tap, and that'll give us a great idea of how much water you got available, therefore how many sprinklers or drippers you can run on a zone. Once completed, bring it in or email it to us, and one of our friendly staff will complete a comprehensive design. We'll then be able to work out a full quote for you with itemised parts. Our staff will be able to run you through how to set up the system yourself and give you priceless advice to make sure the system goes in properly, and we'll hold your hand the whole way. This is a free service that Smart Water offer all our customers, so jump online or come in store today to get your project started.